Yo, what's good? Welcome to another video. Look, I am obsessed with this song right now. This is going back to the Headless Torso days, for those of you who've been following for a long time. There'll be timestamps below, but I have to just do this video right now because I want to. And yeah, anyway, I'm going to tell you right now, this is what I'm hearing. There's a lot of production on this bass. I don't know who the bass player is. I'm willing, first stop is there's a flanger on there, but in this line, you get so much stuff, man. If you want to get all the slap tutorials and all that, man, get some songs. Anyway, A minor. Remember, this bass doesn't have any fret markers, so I'm going to tell you where we're at. So we're going to go A. That is the 5th fret of the E string. Slide in from, I'm doing G sharp, and then plucking on the octave A. Doing the same thing to B. We're in A minor. So A, B, C, and then sliding from G to G sharp once again. We'll talk about that part in a second, but peep there's like, I'm doing like a combination of, where I'm putting the ghost notes. Now, from there, that's the B section. Now, I'm still learning the B section, but I'm going to show you what I'm hearing right now. So, C, hammer on to D, slide up to E, and then hammer on from C to D. I'm sorry, D to E. So let's go from the A section into that little transitional phrase to the B section. Okay. I may play a little bit of the track here, which is going to demonetize this video. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I don't know if I'm going to do that. If you want to support this content, man, there's a merch tray below. There's some cool, super dope merch. If you're like a coffee drinker, there's some dope mugs and stuff like that. Follow one of them links. I appreciate it. So you do need a 5 string because, or, oh, sorry. So, it's going to be F. Let me slow down and explain that a little bit better. I'm going to do it with a 4 string shape. I haven't thought about that, doing that like that, but I'm going to do it like that. F, once again, F, E, D. You see that? And then I think what's happening is he's playing a high A. You know what? I'm just going to play the bass part. I'm hearing that high A right there. And it's a short song. The song is just over a minute long. What I'm guessing is that this A and B section was played and then just copied. I don't think it was played all the way through because it is so exact. I mean, it could be, but I think it was copied and pasted. But so you do need that low B string for that turns the phrase around. Let's listen to it. And then we're back into the thing. So what, like I said, I'm like literally just learning this right before I'm putting this video together. I had been doing this. Man, this is a cold groove. I'm gonna play it without the vocal. Maybe we can avoid a copyright strike. See what happens. So you got that guitar happening too, so that's adding more color. That's good. That's a guitar part. Let's do it again. Like I said, I'm just learning. Cold-blooded groove, man. Dig into it. What I love about this, and just learning songs in general, is that there's so much vocabulary. All that thump vocabulary is there. The octaves, the slides are there. The repetition is there, and dynamics. This is not like I was gonna say Louis Armstrong. This is not like, Larry Graham or Louis Johnson, right? This is a little bit more subtle. Also, shifting. So anyway, try it on for size. If you dug this lesson, go and hit that subscribe button, do all the YouTube things, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. As always, 2 fingers.